Okay, the next thing we're going to do is mount the cooler. Most coolers have a lot of coolers have a back plate here that you have to put on the underside of the motherboard. You can do it before you put it on. I knew I had a case that allowed me to open up this side, and this is the opposite side of the case as opposed to where the motherboard was mounted. So we're over here on this side, and I knew this case came off with this panel on this side. Now you're going to put the mounting plate or the back plate onto it. Don't expect it to be perfectly situated. You just need to line up the screws or the holes for the screws, and it's kind of marked. This is an 1155 board, so I'm going to go ahead. By the way, there's some adhesive on each side, a little adhesive strip. I've peeled off the covering tape, so we can go ahead and use that. And gonna pop that in, make sure that all the holes line up, and push it down, and we're good to go. Now we'll go to the other side and put in the other parts.